Hello, 911. I would like to report a $200 million cash explosion. Hey, fellow scratchers, welcome to another episode of We Be Scratchin'. Today we are going to try our luck at cash explosion. Let's see how much we can win. The purpose of the game is to match any of our numbers to the winning numbers, or reveal the money bag symbol, which would allow us to instantly win the prize shown, or reveal the 20x symbol and win 20 times that prize. Let's go ahead and get started by scratching off the winning numbers. Winning numbers are 27, 15, 30, 21, 31, 11, and 34. Let's go ahead and scratch off that first row, beginning with the number 40, 23, 12, 28, and 6. Moving on to the second row, we have 10, 37, 18, 35, and 7. Next row is 19, 4, 22, 38, and 33, 3, 9, 5, 2, 25. Last row, 39, 32, 26, pretty close, not close enough, 36, and 13. Unfortunately, there was no cash explosion. This is not a winning ticket, but make sure you hit the like, the subscribe, and the notification bell as we continue to scratch away. See you next time. Thank you, Scratchers.